Now we are.
Okay, probably copyright infringement because I'm using the Police song, King of Pain. My refrigerator. My own lyrics. Let me hit go. There's a big black box in the room today. That's my fridge in there. It's the same old thing as yesterday. That's my fridge right there. It's a KitchenAid fridge and it's always hot. There's an airplane sound and the freezer shot. That's my fridge right there. I waited on hold for the whole dang day with prepared part numbers running round my brain. I guess I'm always hoping it won't end this way, but it's my destiny to own the fridge of